Hi everyone, welcome to the longest village in Mauritius, Triolet. Let's go drive through it. Well, we are pulling out where there's a traffic light, so go slow in this bit. Quincaillerie on that side, and on our left is actually where the Triolet buses park. I think it's a big bus park.
Yes.
Yes.
A lot of Triolet buses in Triolet. TBS,
this is their home. So we don't know much about this part. This is before the traffic circle, before you get into Triolet proper. But expect traffic. We're expecting traffic.
Hope not.
Yeah, no, it'll be a dawdle. We'll go right through Triolet. There's never traffic
cool,
there.
Like a building thing. It says something Italian.
Yes, it's got.
I think they sell like raw products. I don't know. It's not a restaurant.
Yes, no. Yes, no.
Yep. It's not a restaurant.
Okay, so this is the traffic circle, and now this is the real Triolet. This is where.
Okay, so start here. Here we go. It's Triolet.
Welcome to Triolet, everyone.
The longest village in Mauritius, and I think the most populated village in Mauritius, and
it holds all the records. It has the biggest temple. It has the worst traffic. You can see it from space during Diwali.
Yep, City of Lights.
City of Lights. But here we are. On our right is an Indian restaurant, which we haven't been to. But on our left is Tariq Snack. Very, very famous place. We actually did a video there. Way back.
Grilled food and Itali platters.
Yeah,
wow. Quite a lot of
you can smell it. You can smell Triolet.
It's a good smell. It's caramelized oniony smell.
Yeah. Anyway, Triolet does have traffic lights.
Yeah. I don't think I've actually noticed those before.
Oh, well, they stopped us now. Hopefully they'll let this guy go. Let the guy go, guys. Come on.
Yeah, some guy's fixing his fence.
We will just drive past because this is how you drive in Triolet. Just the pavement is a rough guide of where you shouldn't be.
Yeah, a rough guide. Pavement is parking.
There are shops all the way along this road. There are just tons of little snack places, little shops.
Yeah, what I find quite weird though is they're quite spread out. So it's like difficult to vlog Triolet because it's kilometers long.
That's why we're driving it, so you get to see everything without us having to walk at all.
Because there's places where it's just there's not much. Yeah.
And then there's tons.
Exactly.
And there's no parking. That's why you see everyone stopped on the side of the road.
Yeah, creates a bit of chaos.
And you have to drive out into traffic. Now it's just wide enough for 3 cars, but not a bus.
Yeah. And definitely not 2 buses.
Definitely not 2 buses.
Also some paneers. Oh, it definitely smells great.
Oh, it is. It's the smell of Triolet, I reckon. It's like curries
food central. Seriously, like when we went to the market, wow, they do great food in Triolet.
They really do great food in Triolet.
Definitely somewhere to stop for food. And weirdly, it's like exactly a certain, I think 7 miles from Port Louis or something like that. I think there's a suburb of Triolet called
7 miles.
I could be wrong. Correct me. Feel free to correct me. But I think there's a suburb called
7 Mile.
Yeah. Look at that flamboyant. Wow. It is flamboyant.
This is not color corrected, guys. This is the actual color. And there's no sun on it. Wow.
No.
Oh, and there's fruit and veg and clothing and all sorts of things.
A restaurant with kebabs and...
Nice looking restaurant with parking. It has its own parking. Look out for that sort of thing.
And tasty crunchy chicken. Yeah, lots of food.
They have everything here.
Some fresh chicken for sale.
Quincailleries, lots of quincailleries.
Many.
People really need to fix things in Triolet.
I think it's just because there's so many buildings.
Yes.
There's a mosque.
Oh,
and wow, and yeah, I'm not sure. I think the temple pull-off was way before here.
Yes, the biggest temple in Mauritius is back near Tariq Snack.
Actually, the place where they started the first pilgrimage to Grand Basson.
Yes, the guy had a vision.
Triolet. Yeah, he had a vision of holy waters in the forest, and they just set off and walked.
Yeah.
And that started the Mahashivratri pilgrimage.
Oh, Leechees are in season.
Leechees, and they're 150. I actually saw at
oh, there's a Winners here.
Somewhere nearby. Oh, Winners, great, with some parking. somewhere nearby they were actually 100 a kg.
Really? 100 a kg?
I know.
That's cheap. We got to find that.
Yeah. Super
Oh,
cheap.
sorry about the jerking a bit because, well, I'm a bad driver sometimes. I'm too busy looking at things and not concentrating on my gears.
And there's a cool tractor up ahead of us.
Yeah, we're being held in by a tractor. I'm hoping that this car pulls off. Oh, there you can see the tractor now. How awesome is that?
Yeah, a little tractor. I like it.
Farming industry in Triolet.
So, start trading, some clothing shops.
And I think where the tractor went is the way you'd go to the market.
SBM Bank.
A school.
Lots of shops. Shoes.
Pedestrian crossings with bumps, but you can see the bumps have actually been melted. So many trucks and buses and cars have driven over them.
And that's a big quartz shop, you know, because they're yellow and blue.
Yes, that must be quartz. Oh, the 361. They have a 361 here.
Oh, hey,
Oh.
Bus.
Listen out for the music. They always have music at 361.
Obviously, there's not a party's 361.
Not a party 361.
Maybe it's only on the weekends.
Those people standing there, that means it must be a bus stop.
Must be a bus stop, yeah. Not often signposted as a bus stop, but you know, from people standing.
And more of these with the bumps that are completely smooth now. Pineapple salad from a motorbike.
Oh, yummy. Lots of fruits.
Oh, sorry, Rick. And Galaxy.
And then we've got a Save Mart shopping centre with its own parking and a big Galaxy, yeah?
There are just so many shops along here.
LCD.
And you see the guys, they park next to each other so only one car can go through.
Yeah, people somehow managed to work that one out.
Yeah. MHC, not sure what that is.
Mauritius
Housing. Huh?
Oh, more Leechees.
Oh, this is the police station.
More flamboyance.
So the police station there and the post office. So we're in the governmental district.
Yeah.
And then more
Oh,
snack
more
places,
snacks.
patisseries, pharmacies, all sorts. And there's a mosque. There's a mosque here.
Smells nice. Not the mosque, the
No.
the mosque doesn't smell like anything.
More bumps. These bumps actually work. They haven't been completely fixed. Kodak Eyewear.
about
What is
that.
Kodak Eyewear? That's a nice looking shop.
Yeah, I didn't know Kodak was an optician now.
Yeah, well, maybe because
Optometrist.
nobody's buying cameras anymore because they've all got phones.
So they've switched. Awesome.
Laboratory.
Yeah, medical center.
Huh?
So you probably find your doctors and everything there.
Yeah, and more shops.
Oh, and there's some more doctors there. They're nicely collected, so that's quite convenient.
So if you can find your spot, if you need to go to the doctor, you go to the doctor area.
Yeah.
If you need to get your snacks, you go to the snack area.
Snack area is everywhere.
Yeah, snack area is everywhere. Don't worry too much about that. A
Yeah.
bridal shop.
Yeah.
Wow,
Nice.
there's just so much stuff down here. Yeah, that's the thing is that you never actually come and have a
Fixing
look.
a tire.
Yeah.
Oh, it's an actual like car repair place. What are they called? Mechanic.
A mechanic shop. Yeah.
Oh, and then tire centers. You see, they collect nicely.
Yes. I mean, there's lots of Indian foods. If you want Indian food, this is the place to
Everywhere. So much.
come. And then you hit back into, it's a busy area because of all the cars stopped on the side of the road.
Yeah. But Triolet, it's awesome.
It really is.
And it's really long.
And we're still going. I don't know how long.
It's insane. But if you're getting from one side to the other and you actually want to avoid going through the middle, but there's a bypass road.
There's a bypass road for those who want to just cop out and go, yeah.
Sometimes recommended, but we thought we'll show you this way.
We'll show you the whole way through the town because it is the longest town. And I'm starting to
Yeah.
feel that it's really, really long.
It is really long.
I'm not sure. Maybe we're entering a part that's not so well supported.
But luckily there's not so much traffic today.
Yes. Normally you can sit in traffic for 15 minutes. And don't come on Diwali night and not park somewhere else.
Diwali night was chaos.
There were so many
pizzas.
cars. Oh, they got pizzas. Looks nice.
Yeah.
And
Know that they had
biryanis.
pizzas. No, they had Italian in Triolet.
Yeah, we'll have to come have a look. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't think Italian would be well supported, but who knows, Everyone
I
likes
think
pizza.
So. It's something different.
Yeah,
Just so much rice you can eat.
exactly.
Sometimes you need pasta. And if you keep going down this road, you actually end up in Port Louis.
Yes, this is actually the Port Louis Road. Before they had other Port Louis roads. This was the main road to Port Louis.
So it's probably still 20-foot road.
we did come off 20-foot road onto this road.
It's probably still the original built 20 feet wide road.
Yeah.
Seems quite wide.
Does rather. More quincailleries. This one looks closed.
Yeah.
Sunflower self-service.
I don't know what that is.
Clothing. And some of the houses have been done really nicely.
Yeah. I think mostly on this main street you've got businesses. You do have a few houses though dotted.
Yes, they haven't become businesses yet.
Ooh, something else to note. Looks yummy.
Really?
I think I must be hungry. I'm pointing at all the food places.
Yes, there are loads of food places, and I feel like I must be wanting to repair something because I keep feeling like I want to point out quincailleries.
Fish and grill.
Fish and grill.
Fast cars. Oh wow, second-hand car dealership. That's
Triolet.
cool.
Triolet has everything.
There you go, guys. Second-hand cars. Triolet. Nice temple.
Yeah.
And this looks like this is where the bypass comes in.
Yes, this is the total garage where you come in through, and if you go to the right, it's down to like all the fancy hotels, like the Balaclava area where they have the Turtle Bay,
yes,
Angsana, and the most luxurious one in Mauritius, whose name I can't remember now.
Yeah.
We are stuck at a traffic light.
This is still technically Triolet though, because Triolet only ends with Solitude.
So we're off to Solitude at the moment. Solitude is a dam or a reservoir or something.
Yeah, it used to be a sugar mill.
Okay.
As you can see from now, we get some historical old walls.
Yes. Oh, nice
big
stonework.
trees.
Concept events. Huh?
Wow. Brings security.
Brings security.
And and apparently Solitude is a great place to go fishing and stuff. It says private property, but everyone has told me you just go into the sugarcane and you go drive around.
It says no fishing, but there we are, Lake Solitude.
It's quite beautiful.
If you can see it through the railings.
Yeah.
And I think this is probably the end of Triolet.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Rick?
I think it is.
We will turn off here.
Private property.
Play tennis, they say. Play tennis.
Good. Yes,
and there we are.
Lovely.
Trespass, everyone. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that adventure through Triolet. Lot less traffic. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.